Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kosh at Mangeko 0. Taking a look here at Ripple, not much of a change really when you compare it to where the lows were at earlier, last Friday. I mean, we're kind of in the same trading range. But one thing Ripple has done, I mean, despite the saber rattling concerns with Russia and Ukraine, it's really maintained a very good support structure around Senko Span B, the top of the cloud. Additionally, it's created some nice hidden bullish divergence between the optics bands and the price chart. So you've got these higher highs on the price chart, higher lows on the price chart, but flat to lower lows in the oscillator. The RSI's at testing the first oversold level in the bull market at 50. And there's just a lot of reasons to anticipate continued bullish momentum here, despite the unknowns that are going on across the board. So Ripple really needs to get a daily close, above the swing high here at 85. Once that occurs, the move to $1 likely inevitable. But if it has, I don't know if that's when we talk about this on Tuesday, Akash, things might be a little different. But the downside risks should be limited to the bottom of the cloud at Senko Span A, or just the 73.5 level at the Kijun-sen. I don't see a ton of downside potential here. Everything looks very much like it's poised for a bullish breakout. It's positioning for that. I mean, without even drawing it, there's a kind of a dub big red truck inverse head and shoulders pattern. Got a bull flag forming on the daily chart up here as well. Yeah, I think the move to $1 is going to happen sooner rather than later. And that does it for me on Ripple. I'll pass it off to you.
Thank you, John. So we're going to be taking a look at XRP on a 4 time frame. I spotted this rising wedge pattern the day before yesterday, and I took a nice trade. Actually, my bid orders weren't filled, but the price rallied down here. I was expecting to take profits at 0.756, but I was hoping to probably get a retest of 0.74. Although I missed this, I am currently long on XRP. I'm expecting it to head up to at least 0.81 if we're lucky. We could probably even get a retest of 0.85. So for now, again, like I mentioned, Bitcoin's not done dropping. There might be another minor downtrend for Bitcoin. So before that minor downtrend begins, I'm expecting Bitcoin to retest the weekly open, right? So with that in mind, I believe XRP still has a lot of room to go higher. So I'm expecting it to retest 0.85 and retrace lower to fill this fair value gap here, which extends from 0.767 to 0.74. So for now, if we do get a retest of 0.85, it's a good opportunity to short XRP here at 20.23. Or if you don't want to short and risk your capital, you can just wait for XRP to either retrace down to 0.746 or probably even 769 if you're lucky, and then you can long XRP here and get a retest of 0.91 and collect the liquidity resting above this. So this is like the short-term target. The long-term target from a one-day time frame perspective shows that there is quite a bit of liquidity resting above $1 as well. So conservative outlook, if you long at 0.679 or $0.746, you could take profits at 0.91. If you want to play it risky, you could wait until you get a retest of the $1 psychological level here. As for the downside, I believe, as seen in the 4-hour time frame perspective, this consolidation here played a major role in this upswing. So if price does return to this consolidation level, I believe it's going to be supported. So for me, the downside is capped anywhere from 0.679 to 0.64-ish. So that's my view from a technical perspective. And the reason why I believe this leg up is going to continue going higher to at least 0.85 is because Yeah, so if you look at XRP's volume, right, which is this yellow bands, since 17 Feb, the price has continuously produced a lower downtrend, right? Between that time, the volume has increased from roughly 2.24 billion to 3.06 billion, right? Which is clearly a divergence that's taking place here. So that is one major reason why I'm expecting XRP to continue going higher. And another reason is this recent spike in active addresses over the past 1 hour. The one on active addresses have spiked massively while the price dropped here. So as a result of these two indicators, I'm expecting XRP to continue going higher, hopefully to 0.85. So yeah, that's pretty much my take on XRP.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.